What's up, guys? It's the next day. I'm getting ready to go out to dinner. I think we're going to a pretty nice place on the water or on the beach or something like that. I think it's called Scorpios. It's known as like probably one of the most popular destinations, like actually in Mykonos. So about to get ready. I know they got really good food there, so I'm pretty hype about that. Don't really know what I want to wear yet. I feel like I should put on a good fit, but we're gonna figure everything out. It's a little late. We're gonna go early. It's hard to get in, so we have a dinner reservation at like 4:30. That was like the only time they had. So we're gonna eat dinner probably pretty early, and then chill, probably listen to music, have a couple of drinks and stuff like that, and we'll go from there. Alright, we out to dinner. Let me see the fit.
I have no clue about this fit.
Bro, you guys are clueless. Got the shoes, the pants, the watch.
Alright, what up guys? We're at dinner now. We got Ben here. Ben, open your shirt up. Shani Poo, how are you?
We all need to cheers, actually.
We all got it. Shots. I love you, Sean. I love you, Greg. Cheers. That was good.
Smooth. Got some food.
What is this? I don't know. Alright, let's start eating the pita. Pita. Do you know what this one is? Oh, this is the Mohammed. Okay. Thank you. This is the Mukamara. Mukamara. It smells interesting. He said it's Indian.
Oh my god.
It's Indian food?
Dude, that's the best meatball I've ever had.
Maybe it's not so TikTok. It look-y still is. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty gas. I'm impressed.
1 out of 10.
Like an 8.5.
What do you think? Taste test right now.
I'm low-key buzzing right now. I feel like a 4 point, no, like a 7, like a
Bro, what?
6.4.
6.4.
Wow, this is, wow.
Amazing, right?
Wow.
What did you get?
The butterfly sea bass.
That shit looks good, bro. Oh my. I got this. I don't even know what it is. Zucchini pasta. First bite. The big bite. Oh my. He's going for it. Good? Bro, he's nonchalant.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I was hungry. I had to dig in a little bit. It's pretty tough.
Alright, we got the dessert. We got a cookie with some ice cream on it. This was like 42 euros. So it better be pretty good. Ready? Oh my god. It melts.
Oh, yeah.
Mid.
You say mid?
Mid.
I'm buzzing right now. This tastes really good. This tastes really good.
Alright, right now, we're just chilling. Oh my gosh. It's really beautiful. There's islands over there in the distance, then there, and then all the way over here. The beach, you guys can see the yachts over there as well. It's just beautiful.
I don't want to talk about it. It doesn't matter, bro.
Alright, I'll explain it. Boys wanted to get a Moscow Mule, right? And they got completely salesmen. You'd think us being in the business, we would know. Gave us $15 vodka for a bottle. We paid like $300 for it.
This is the being retarded. But together. Being retarded together. Look at me. Look at my legs, man. You see that shit? I see that shit. And I'm vibing too.
I just wanna taste it. Got the feeling you don't wanna wait. I know that you want me here and now. Know you wanna party. Listen to your body. I want to get naughty. Girl, I really like the way you Girl, I really like the way you Girl, I really like the way you
If you smash in front of us,
10,000 euros.
10,000 euros.
10,000. Are the girls easy here?
Easy.
Yes, easy.
Are you okay?
retard
This country?
Yes, in this country.
Maybe yes.
Yes, maybe yes. They don't like Americans.
In your country? It's easy or not?
Very easy, very easy.
Very easy.
You go out anywhere and they're ready to smash before you say anything. The night's not over.
No, not over. We're gonna find bitches on Tinder.
You find some, you're gonna get tip.
One bitches?
Yes.
No, 3 bitches. 3 bitches?
2, love me.
On Tinder, okay. Only one more for me. Okay. I have surprise for you. What's a surprise? BBC. You know?
Yes. I have an SWC.
SWC.
Yeah.
Small white cock.
You ever had any pretty girls back here smashing? Let me see.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
10 out of 10.
Who is that?
Do you like this girl?
Who is it?
You like it?
Who is that?
Look.
Oh my goodness. She's
Look.
around here? We need her.
Brazilian.
Let's call her up.
Brazilian.
Oh shit. Is that your girlfriend?
No. It's a visiting. Yes.
Visiting.
Come home with a pay.
Oh yeah. You gotta smash back here.
No. In my home.
In your home?
First, my home. I have idea. Look. Go all together with 4 girls with van. Ride to Mykonos and fuck in van.
All 4 of us?
Yes.
Yes. Benjamin's on the dry streak. He might need it. Thank you, sir.
Where is bitches?
Where are they? You're getting them. Dropping them off here tonight. You got them. You're gonna drop them off.
No, I can't.
We'll see you tonight. 4 bitches with you.
Right.
Buddy, what you gotta say?
Bro, you're not posting that shit.
Bro, I'm definitely posting that shit. What do you mean?
Alright, just got back inside. I think we're about to go grab ice cream. About to get a shower. Literally, the shower is so cool. Like, a little messed up. It just shoots right at the wall. But literally, this bathroom is like insane. If I could have this in my room, I literally would. It's literally insane. Oh my god. This bed looks so comfortable. I want to sleep in. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower. We're gonna hop on the ATVs. I keep calling them ATVs. I usually call them quads, but I think I'm calling them ATVs because that's what everyone calls them here. But hop on the quads, and then yeah, we're gonna chill. Getting dressed, putting a hoodie on right now. Look how burnt I am. Holy. Oh my gosh. They're really loud as shit. But no, it's crazy. I'm about to go get ice cream. I'll see you guys on the ATV. Alright, I'm gonna try to vlog on the ATV. I don't know if it's gonna work. It might be a little windy, so I might put some music over it. And it's not gonna lie, it's hard to hold, but I'm still gonna try it. Hopefully everything goes good.
We got the boys. Woo!
Wrist looking like it been dipped. Dipping that. Script looking like it been flipped. Flipping that. Pull up in that phone, my God. Whole squad getting that. Please say it ain't true. I had to go and cop 2. Hell no, we can't fit in that.
Oh my god, my hair is a mess. And my eyes are all watery. But, of course, the ice cream place is closed. Of course. Of course it is. And literally, I don't understand. On Google Maps it said 1 a.m. But it's like 12 something and they're closed. So it's kind of chalk. But,
Buddy, what are you doing? Yeah, you cannot take Ben anyway. Ben, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Is that what you're wearing?
I'm feeling it, bro.
What you call that outfit? What is that? What is that? Where can I?
Benjamin Trade's buzz.
Where can I buy that, bro?
just me and the boys vibing in a whole different country. Greg's got music on. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Oh my god. I need to. My hair is like completely a mess right now. We're off.
Like we fresh out the cage, showtime baby, fresh off the stage, bad little mama, fresh off the page. Front like you love, but you know that you hate it. Yeah, you know no better. Yeah, you know no better. Yeah, you know no better. Ooh, yeah, you know no better. Say you're different, ooh, you're kidding. Yeah, you know no better. Ooh, say that talk for the ones who don't know no better. Cause baby, I know you. Cause baby, I don't know better. Baby, I know you better. Baby, I know. Baby, I know you better. Baby, I know you better. Baby, I know you better. Baby, I know no better. Top dropped off on my whip. Whipping that, whipping that, whipping that. Yellow and the purple on mix. Mixing that, mixing that, mixing that. Got my bitch from the tropics. Yeah, you know where she's sitting at. Taking shots, pouring bottle at the bottle at the bottle. Hell no, we ain't sipping that.
What is life? This is insane. Oh my gosh, just look at how pretty. This is beautiful. Wow. So pretty. Alright, I'm hopping off this thing. Oh my god. I gotta look at this view. There's the ATV. Everyone else, they all left. But look at this. It's just insane. Camera does not do it justice. Let me actually turn these lights off. These lights are way too bright right now. Alright, there we go. Oh, they didn't even turn off for it. Literally insane. Like, so down here, it's not mid downtown Mykonos. It's not like Little Venice or Midtown or anything. This is kind of just another area, but it's just so beautiful. There's a lot of beach clubs down here on the beach, which is pretty cool. And then over there is where we stayed actually one night, so it's beautiful. Mykonos is literally insane. There's just all these random houses that are so nice. And then there's our villa right here with the lights and the pool. We technically actually walk up there, but I gotta park this, so. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I'm super tired. Oh my god. We were out pretty late yesterday, but we're back. And I just do not want to leave this place. This place is so beautiful. We're getting ready to go back to JFK, New York. And I'm not too happy about it. We've been here for quite a few days, so I kind of miss home. Kind of miss my car, which I don't have in my driveway anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But hopefully I'll be having that car back soon. I feel like if I had my car right now sitting in my driveway waiting for me just to drive, I'd be feeling so much better about going home. But it's whatever. Hopefully it's not too much longer. But yeah, I don't think this will be my last time in Greece. It's a beautiful place. Definitely want to go visit more of the islands. I feel like we were only restricted to kind of the party island. But yeah, it was super fun, obviously. I wouldn't trade it for the world. Definitely don't think it's the end of it. So I'm excited for the journey. The travel journey. The profit journey. The profit travel journey. But yeah, guys, this should be fun.
Alright, let's sit.
The travel essentials. Couldn't have coffee this morning, so I had to settle for some Red Bull. Benjamin Sinead. Bro is actually so dumb. Bro asked the girl, he was like, should I give my stuff? What did you say? Huh?
Should I keep my stuff in Vienna?
I think we should stay in Vienna for like 3 days.
Why? Your bag's going there, bro.
doesn't matter.
Greg said.
Brother, I do not care, brother.
Yo, it's been good.
You know what? I want to see. Good for you. Good for you.
Yo, next time you gotta book your own flight if you don't want middle.
That's chill, bro. I'm a book a solo trip. The fucking back out, bro.
Yeah, where are we going next? Ben, you're booking the next flight. Where are we going?
We're going to fucking India.
India?
How is it? How's it sitting next to Benjamin? You like Benjamin trades?
And his hairy legs.
Alright, we're going to the lounge. Stop one. We got a layover. 5.5 hours or something like that. Don't ever go on a trip with this kid. This kid does nothing about it.
profits.
That's why.
Bro, how do I get my hair like this every time?
That's why kid's gonna get the middle seat for the 8-hour flight.
Oh, you're bugging. I'm not getting no fucking middle
buddy.
seat, bro. Sean's getting the middle seat.
Buddy.
I'll get it.
Buddies. Alright, we got to the lounge. Even though some chicken, something, rice, mashed potatoes, a nice banana. Made some coffee too. They're mad because I won't tell them how I made it. Sometimes you just gotta figure stuff out on your own, you know? You know, it's part of adulting. Pretty gassed though. We're gonna be here for a while and I'm not happy about it. I'm really exhausted. So pretty much the time that we woke up, which was like 7 a.m. We're gonna be traveling till 3 a.m. pretty much. So it's like 16 hours. The predicament right now. What's going on?
I'm trying to find a caption
A caption for what?
for my personal post.
Greg, what you think?
I think it should be wrapped in strapped.
Wrapped in strap?
Or it could be the claps heard around.
Oh my God. Explain for the viewers.
There was a festival
Keep going.
at Villa Opal.
Was I stage crew?
That was spectator.
I was the audience.
John, fuck it up. Put that shit to the wash.
We're home, buddy.
The luggage this way. We don't have to
We're home.
Home sweet home.
After a long day, I'm literally dying. We are finally home, and it is literally 12:30 at home, which means I have been up for 24 hours because I didn't really sleep on the plane. I'm cooked, guys. I can't wait. I'm about to go to bed. Probably not going to wake up in time for trading tomorrow because tomorrow's Monday. But it's okay. I'm going to sleep in a little bit. I deserve to. And yeah, guys, it's going to be the end of the video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the Mykonos vlog. It's a pretty long video, but I wanted to kind of fit everything all into one. That way you guys could see, you know, the real reality of what we were doing. And, you know, it's just like more like a travel video. So hopefully you guys did enjoy it. I got to get myself to sleep because I'm like falling asleep as I'm talking right now. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment your thoughts about it. And comment another place that you guys think I should go visit. Like I said, I want to start traveling more, especially with my friends. And yeah, I think it's going to be one of the cool things and a different approach that not a lot of people take. Is, you know, spending more time traveling. You know, people make money, but they spend their money flexing and on cars and all the dumb stuff. And I'm trying to be one of those people who takes pride in, you know, trips and stuff like that not a lot of people do. So comment where you guys think I should go next. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, you know no better. Ooh, say that talk for the ones who don't know no better. 'Cause baby, I know you. 'Cause baby, I know no better.